Overcoming the default process. It is highly likely that since you were a child, you have spent a lot of time and energy focusing on small and unimportant things. Over time, this builds up, and before you know it, these irrelevant things are controlling your life. We call this the default process, and it is critical that you change how you think to stop this. Have you ever thought to yourself that a certain situation was beyond you? Or thought that you were powerless to do anything about a situation that was heavily impacting your life? You're not alone here. Most people do this, and the problem is that when this happens, you relinquish control over your life. This is counter to the law of attraction. To truly develop the law of attraction code that will work for you throughout your life, then you have to take back control. You need to start focusing on things that are essential for your development and not let the default process rule your life. It is all about belief. We have mentioned belief a few times in this training already, and we will continue to do so because it is so important. Here is an example of how having a firm belief helps to win the day for you. Imagine that you want to do something, but you do not have the finances to do it. This could be anything from investing in training to learning new skills or traveling around the world. It doesn't matter what it is. People that succumb to the default process will quickly come to the decision that they cannot do whatever it is they want because they lack the funds. They will give up on the idea and move on to something else that will not move them forward in their life. But the person that has true belief and is a subjective thinker will not dwell on their lack of funds too much. They will focus on getting whatever it is that they want. They will see themselves having this thing in their life already, and by using the law of attraction, they will manifest it in their life. At this point, you may be thinking that this is not a practical thing for you to do. The fact is that you don't have the money that you need, so surely that is it. We are asking you to change your thinking here to believe that you already have the finances to do the thing that you really want. Use visualization techniques to see that money in your bank account and experience how good this feels. An outcome may be that you make a loan application, and because you feel so certain that you have the money already, your loan will receive approval. Your energy levels will be so high and your vibration so positive and strong that the people at the bank or finance institution will feel this and will be confident in your ability to repay the loan. People that follow the default process will not emit high energy levels and strong positive vibrations. They will not be confident of being successful with their loan application and may not even make one in the first place. If they do make the application, they will send out the wrong signals and will probably be turned down. Intensify your thought process. To really make the law of attraction work for you, it is critical that you intensify your thought process. You need to make the transition from objective thinking to subjective thinking and believe that you already have what you want. A strong believer in the law of attraction never lets the default process rule their life. They are in total control and are the center of all the things that are happening around them. Seeing beyond the default process is a change that you must make. It will take time and effort, but it will reward you in the end. In the next video, we will discuss opportunities and luck.